Division, bus stop method. Keywords: divisor, groups of, remainder, carryover and leftover. In this question we're going to be doing 651 divided by 3. We start by writing 651, ensuring that you leave some space on the left hand side. Leave one box to the left of this number and then write 3. 3 is the divisor because this is the number that we are dividing by. The number that follows the division sign is always the divisor and is always on the outside of the bus stop. Once your numbers are set up correctly, you can draw your bus stop with a diagonal line between the 3 and the 6, or between your divisor and the number you are dividing, and a horizontal line above the number that you are dividing. Okay, this is the only written method where you start from the left hand side instead of the right. So the first division that we're going to do is 6 divided by 3. A common mistake would be to do 3 divided by 6, but we always divide by the divider, so we're always dividing by 3. You may know the answer to this question already. However, if you don't, there is a visual way that you can make notes to help you work it out. If we had 6 crosses, six divided by 3 means how many groups of 3 can we make with 6? If we have 6 crosses, how many groups of 3 can we make? As you can see, we have managed to make 2 groups of 3. So the answer to this question is 2. The 2 from your answer goes above the 6 in the question. Next, we move on to the 5. We write down in our notes 5 divided by 3. This means how many groups of 3 can we make with 5? So again, we can write 5 crosses and see how many groups of 3 we can make. We can make 1 group of 3, but we still have 2 left over. So the answer is 1 with a remainder of 2. We write this as 1R2. The 1 from our answer goes above the 5 because that is 1 group of 3 that we have made. The 2 in our remainder goes next to the number in the next column. So we're going to write a small 2 next to the 1 in the units column. The next division is then 21 divided by 3 instead of 1 divided by 3. For this question, we could write 21 crosses. A simpler way, because 21 is a larger number, would be to count up in 3s until we get to 21. So if we write out our 3 times tables, (3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and then 21, we can figure out how many 3s we needed by circling each answer. 1 lot of 3, 2 lots of 3, 3 lots of 3, 4 lots of 3, 5 lots of 3, 6 lots of 3 and 7 lots of 3. So 21 is 7 lots of 3. The answer 7 then goes above the 21. We now have our answer. 651 divided by 3 is 217.